Hello and welcome to or welcome back to the TheSimplyCa. My name is Alana and today we are going to do a quick cardio strength workout. We are going to do 30 seconds on. I have a couple of seconds as transition built in there for you. 2 rounds of the same exercise and then we move on to a second set of exercises for 2 rounds. We're going to start off turning sideways on your mat, so get yourself ready. No need for any equipment. Let's get going. We are starting off with single leg skaters. So come into a squat position, feet about hips width apart. You're going to soften your knees. We're going to touch one foot to one side and then to the other. Really working that standing leg and allow the knee to be a little bit bouncy, a little bit soft. Keep going here. You are over halfway. Keep going. We've got 2 rounds of this. Finish it up. And let's move on to the other side. So right away, standing on your other leg, get nice and squatted down and start tapping one side and then the other. Notice that your standing knee is tracing the same line as your toes. Hips are square forwards in the same direction as your foot. We're getting into that glute of your standing leg here. Almost done this side. All right, moving on. We're going to take a lunge and then a pulse. So pulse and then knee up and cross your elbow. Pulse, 2, 3, knee up, cross the elbow. If you lose your balance, no worries. You can always touch your toe down. You don't have to take the cross. You are halfway there on this side. Keep your core really firm. And let's switch to the other side. Starting in that lunge position, you're going to pulse for 1, 2, 3, core strong, knee up, twist. Pulse 1, 2, 3, core up, knee up, core strong. You are halfway there. If you lose your balance, no worries, tap your toe down. You can always use something nearby as support. We are going to even this all out, taking a nice wide plie, toes out, heels in, and just down and up. Keep your chest nice and lifted, squat down through your knees, send your booty back, core strong. You are already halfway there. Squeeze your glutes at the top. All right, we are moving back into those stationary skaters. So getting going right away, second round, first set of exercises. You know what's happening. Get nice and deep in that squat. Really feel the outer glute of your standing leg. Over halfway. Switching sides, the last time you've got to see this exercise today. Here we go. So stay super strong in that standing leg. Nice soft bounce. Last time for this exercise, halfway there. Getting back into those lunges, pulse for 3. Here we go. Pulse 2, 3. Nice strong twist. 2, 3, and twist. No worries if you lose your balance. Finish this side up strong. And let's move to the other side. Last time for this one. Pulse, 2, 3, knee up, twist, really strong. So this is working stability, this is working your glutes, quads. Got so much happening here. Focus on your breath and your balance. Halfway through, second set of the second side. All right, let's move into that final exercise of the first round, the plie, toes out, heels in, squat down, squeeze up. Really focus on squeezing your glutes here at the top. Nice and tall through your chest, weight in your heels. You've got a quick little momentary pause between this set and the next set. All right, here we go. Moving down onto the floor, setting yourself up in a kneeling position. We're gonna take some kneeling circles here. So you're gonna scrape your pelvis along your heels in some circle actions. I'll give you that 30-second warning to flip directions. Here we go. Solid on the quads, and by 30 seconds I mean 15 seconds. All right, here you are, halfway through, switch directions. You can change your hand position to make this more challenging. All right, lying down on your back. We're going to get into some core here with some toe taps. So reach opposite hand to foot. You're sitting on your sit bones, but just a little bit back. Your core is really engaged. Tap hand to as close to your foot as you can. You got this, finish strong. Next up, we're coming into a plank position. You're gonna walk your feet outside of your right hand and then walk your feet outside your left hand. So outside, inside tap, outside, inside tap. Core is really strong, weights towards your shoulders. So really puff up through your shoulder blades. Nice and strong through your upper body here. All right, super simple. Come back onto your back, coming into some bicycles. Cross elbow to knee. Your choice, you can keep the knees bent. You can go with a straight leg bicycle. Whatever works best for you, just keep on twisting. You are over halfway through this round. All right, you are going to see my weakness in the push-up department here, getting yourself ready in a staggered alligator push-up. So you've got one hand forward, one hand backwards, and you're taking a push-up. What's happening here is you have one doing a tricep push-up and the other doing sort of like a regular push-up. So you're switching hand forward, hand backward, each and every push-up. Nice work, everyone. All right, second round, second set, starting those circles. and switch directions with your hips. Stay nice and low. You've got this, team. Sitting down onto your bum, come into that V-sit type position and toe taps. Opposite hand, opposite foot, core nice and strong. If you can, try to soften your hip flexors a little bit. You are over halfway through the second set of this exercise. Keep going. All right, back into the plank position. Walking your feet outside, inside tap, back to center, outside, inside tap, back to center. So you keep your core super strong here. Really pull up through your upper body, through your abdominal wall. A little bit of cardio, lots of core strength. Two exercises left. Lying down onto your back for those bicycles. Let's go. You can make them as fast, as slow, as hard, as easy. Straight legs, bent knees, whatever you need. Just keep on twisting. Last few seconds here. All right, everyone, this is it. Final exercise of this workout. Alligator, crocodile, whatever you want to call them, push-ups. Let's do it. One hand forward, one hand back, switch. You can be up on your toes if you want to. You will notice I am not. Over halfway, final exercise. Keep going. Do whatever you need to do to make this happen. Get this done. Here you go. Finish it up strong. And you are done. Great work, everyone. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.